Papatayin ko tong babaeng to. Sige, one step! Step back!
Gino! Henry! Yung ano ko! Puntahan natin sila! Hindi pwede nilang saktan si Lorin ko! Gino, kasama ba yan sa plano? Lorena! Hindi! Wag! Eddie? Eddie? Eddie, please! Madam Clara!
Ma'am!
Please! Huwag niyo siyang sasaktan. Anak ko yan! Please! Eddie!
Man!
Eddie, please! Ibaba mo yung baril mo, please! Please! What's the matter with you?
All of a sudden, I'm your son now. Why now? What's happening? Ano, bigla ka nalang pupunta dito and then you decided to become my mom after all these years? Buong buhay ko, wala ka naman pakialam sa akin, di ba?
That's not true!
Do not lie to me!
Please, Eddie.
You did this! You did this!
Eddie, please. Let's talk. Eddie.
Nag-usap na tayo noon, di ba? I went to you. I came to you! I told you what she was doing. Sabi ko sa kayo yung si Yaya, meron siyang ginagawa sa akin. Hindi ko maintindihan, pero alam ko hindi siya okay!
I don't remember.
I knew it was wrong. What did you do? You told me to stop making up stories. What does that mean? Sarili kong nanay? Ganun ako ka ba? Tatawag niya sa akin sinungaling? Do you even remember? Huh? How could you? All you ever did there is just stand there and do nothing. Say nothing.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Si Miss Pilar, naalala mo? Hmm? That's business partner, yeah? She served dinner in the house. I told you what she was doing to me.
I'm sorry.
She was molesting me. You never listen.
I'm sorry.
I asked for help from my own mother. What did she do? Sinumpog niya ako sa sarili kong tatay. Nilaglag niya ako. You know what he's like. You've seen what he does to me.
Eddie, I'm sorry.
Kasi alam mo, yung pabugbog niya, it's nothing. It's the things that he would say. You know, Eddie, you're a disappointment. You're a disappointment, Eddie. I wish you never had to do this, Eddie. Why do you have to keep ruining my name, Eddie? You shouldn't have been born, Eddie. I wish you were never born, Eddie. What I needed was a mother. You abandoned!